Hello friends, welcome to our channel Midya Coaching Classes JNP. Today's topic is exercise 2.1 polynomial. First question, which of the following expression are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. First, 4x square minus 3x plus 7. This polynomial is in one variable polynomial because this is in only x. So we can say that this polynomial is in one variable polynomial. Second, y square plus under root 2, y square plus under root 2, this is also in one variable polynomial. So we can say yes, it is in one variable polynomial. Next question, 3 under root 2, 3 under root t plus t under root 2. This is not in one variable polynomial because it is not a polynomial. If here is a t in variable but power of t is 1 upon 2, so it is not in polynomial. If it is not polynomial, then it is not in variable. Yes, no, it is not a polynomial. Question number 4, y plus 2 upon y, it is not a polynomial. Question number 5, x power 10 plus y power 3 plus t power 50. Here is three variables, x power 10 plus y power 3 and t power 50. So x power 10, y power 3, t power 50, x, y and t. Here is three variables, so it is not a polynomial in one variable. It is not a polynomial in one variable. Next question. Next question, write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. Second question, in second question we have to write the coefficient of x square. Means multiple of x square. 2 plus x square plus x. In this question, x square have one variable, so coefficient of x square equal to 1. Second, 2 minus x square plus x cube. 2 minus x square plus x cube. Coefficient of x square equal to -1. Third, pi upon 2 x square plus x. Coefficient of x square equal to pi upon 2. Fourth, under root 2x minus 1. Here is no terms of x square, so we can write this question under root 2x minus 1 plus 0 x square. Then the coefficient of x square equal to 0. Next question, give one example. Give one example, each of a binomial of degree 35 and a monomial of degree 100. So friends, we have to give an example of binomial of degree 35. Binomial means we have to take two terms, x square, x power 35 plus we have take any constant or any terms, x power 35 plus x power 10. We have take another example, x power 35 plus 100. So this is the example of binomial in degree 35. And next question, we have to take a monomial term of degree 100. Monomial of degree 100. We can take x power 100 or y power 100 or z power 100. That's example of a monomial in degree of 100. So friends, yesterday we told you that degree of polynomial. What is degree of polynomial? The highest power of in an expression is known as degree of polynomial. Next question, we have to take an example of polynomial to told the degree. Question number 4, write the degree of each of the following polynomials. First question, 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. In this polynomial, we have to told what is the degree of this polynomial. Degree of this polynomial here is highest power is 3. Highest power is 3. So the degree of this polynomial is 3. Degree of this polynomial is 3. And second question, 4 minus y square. 4 minus y square. In this polynomial, highest power is 2. So degree of polynomial is 2. Third, five t minus under root 7. In this polynomial, the variable is t and the power of t is 1 and highest power is 1. So degree of the polynomial is 1. Degree of polynomial equal to 1. Another question. Another question. Question number 4. A constant term 3. What is the degree of a constant term? Degree of a constant term always 0. If we have any constant term, then degree of this constant term is 0. So friends, degree of this polynomial is 0 because we can write this 3x power 0. So here variable is x and degree of this x is 0. So degree of polynomial is 0 and highest power is 0. We can explain this. 3x power 0 means 3 into 1. So 3 into 1 equal to 3. We can get a constant term 3. Another question. Question number 5. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. Friends, in this question we have to clarify who is linear equation or quadratic equation or cubic equation. So first we have to know what is linear equation, linear polynomial, what is quadratic polynomial and what is cubic polynomial. What is linear polynomial? In linear polynomial, if we have a polynomial and in this polynomial the highest power is 1, so we say that this polynomial is a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. A polynomial whose highest power is 1 known as linear polynomial. For example, x plus 7, 3y plus 5, c plus 9, etc. Quadratic polynomial. A polynomial whose highest power is 2, that is known as quadratic polynomial. Next, for example, 2x square plus 5x plus 9 y square plus 2y plus 3 etc. And the cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. A polynomial whose highest power is 3 is known as cubic polynomial. For example, x cube plus 7x square plus 5x plus 8 y cube plus 5y plus 6 etc. So friends, in question number 5 we have to classify who linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. So friends, first question x square plus x. In this question highest power is 2, so this is a quadratic polynomial. Second, x minus x cube. In this question highest power is 3, and if highest power is 3 then this polynomial is cubic polynomial. Third, y plus y square plus 4. Here is highest power is 2, and if highest power is 2 then this polynomial is quadratic polynomial. Question number 4, 1 plus x. This polynomial has highest power is 1, then this polynomial is linear polynomial. Question number 5, 3t. This polynomial has also highest power is 1, so this polynomial is linear polynomial. Question number 6. Question number 6, r square. This polynomial has highest power is 2, so this polynomial is quadratic polynomial. Question number 7, 7x cube. This polynomial has highest power 3. If it has highest power 3, so this polynomial is cubic polynomial.